Welcome passengers, we are going on the Bakerloo line, but not really going on it. We're going to go down into Piccadilly Circus, take a quick look before we start heading home, but this is a video all on Piccadilly Circus on the Bakerloo line. Cue the intro. So welcome passengers, we're at Piccadilly Circus and we would usually go on the Piccadilly line back to St Pancras, but we've got a spare few minutes, so let's just walk around Piccadilly Circus Bakerloo line so we can have a look at the station and just see what's going on. So we're at Piccadilly Circus, as I said. Why am I repeating myself? I don't know why I'm repeating myself. But yeah, I wanted to have a look at some of the tunnels, walkways that we can kind of go down and through for this station. So yeah, join me as we go through. That's my umbrella. Bought an umbrella today. Went to the London Transport Museum and bought myself a new umbrella. It was half price, 15 quid. Don't think that's too bad. So now we can come down. We've got our northbound and southbound platforms. So yeah, if you want to replicate this, try and go on Piccadilly Circus now and see if it's similar to the real thing. We're going to go to the northbound. So we're going to go northbound first. We're going to walk through here. And this is to Oxford Circus, up to Harrow and Wealdstone. So we can have a look here and we can see that we've got the two tracks there. You've got the bits here that you can see. So the train is underneath us right now. Go down the steps. This literally, I try my best to kind of keep this in one take so you can clearly see what it does, you know, all these different walkways and things like that. It's very busy down here, sorry. It's very busy down here. There's a nice through path to the Piccadilly line. Down some steps there. But, you know, I want to go down here. Just to the front of the train. That's what I want to do. Go to the front. So yeah, this one goes to Stonebridge Park. And then the next one in 3 minutes will be to Harrow and Wealdstone. That's on way out there. So what we'll do is we'll come down here.
This is an announcement to all passengers travelling through Piccadilly Circus. Please keep your personal items close and secure. Be clear.
Yes, look at that! Woo! So look at that, we get to see the station. Piccadilly Circus has this special station where part of the line, you know, we're on this platform here and we get to see the other side, the other platform that goes southbound towards Elephant and Castle. So yeah, a couple of minutes till we see the Harrow and Wealdstone service, which is going to come through here. So what we'll do is we'll wait here until that comes.
Due to the wet weather, please take extra caution when moving around.
So that service there to Elephant and Castle is leaving. So there she goes. So yeah, what we'll do is we'll wait for this one. We've got the screens there. There's the screens. I'm not going to go near them because, you know, that's not what I do. We'll do that on the Bakerloo line on Tracing World, but yeah.
Customer announcement. Due to the wet weather, please take extra caution when moving around the station.
So let's have a look up whilst we're waiting for that train. So look. There's some flaking paint up there, a bit damp.
Bakerloo line, the train now approaching is to Harrow and Wealdstone. Please stand back from the platform edge.
So this is a mind the gap between the train and the platform. So we'll watch this one come in. Can somebody remind me, put it down in the comments, what the speed limit is coming into Piccadilly Circus? Here she comes. So this one's going to Harrow and Wealdstone. With the grey barman moquette. I know the London Transport Museum, they do the moquette barman, but it's in the blue, not the grey, which is annoying because it would be nice to have had it in the blue, in the grey, but no, it's only available in the blue. Right, doors closing.
This is a customer service update from the station control room at Piccadilly Circus. On the Jubilee line, there are some new delays. This was from the
Off it goes. Right, let's go and have a look at some of the other places, see if we can go on the southbound. On the southbound platform. I believe we have to kind of like come back on ourselves because we've got a way out.
The next train to Stonebridge Park will arrive in 2 minutes.
So yeah, let's try and head back. I don't want to talk too much because that's just boring. So Stonebridge Park, then Queen's Park.
This is
Stonebridge
an
Park,
announcement to all customers travelling through Piccadilly Circus station. Please be aware that professional pickpockets and beggars are
there's the way
operating
out.
on the station. I repeat,
Piccadilly
professional
line.
pickpockets and beggars
So yeah,
are
I'm
operating
going
on the
to
station.
go down here,
Please keep your personal
see where this ends up.
items secure
and what we'll probably do is we'll probably find out that, you know, it goes back to where we can then see the southbound platform sign. And we'll go down there and then we'll end it. You know, I don't want this video to be too long. No, I know you enjoy it. It's a very enjoyable thing to do, you know, going through these different parts of the Bakerloo line. Yeah, I just thought we spend 15 minutes doing this. So here we go. We're back here again. So let's go on the southbound to Elephant and Castle.
Mind the gap, please.
And there's a train in the station.
Mind the gap, please.
Here we go.
Mind the gap, please. Mind the gap, please. Mind the
There she
gap,
goes,
please.
to Elephant and Castle. Yeah, this one's Elephant and Castle. And off she goes. That really hurt my ears, that did. That was a real screech. But no, thank you so much for watching this little video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Social media links are in the description below. But yeah, that was really fun. Got to see Piccadilly Circus, Bakerloo line. Now let's head on the Piccadilly line back to St Pancras, and then we can start heading home. But no, thank you very much. We'll see you on the next video. This is Mega Sim out here. See you later, guys. Bye.